Rufus Ferguson. Rufus, do you really want some chicken? Look. Do it. He's gonna flop.
Do you want some chicken? Rufus, not on the ketchup, honey.
Okay.
You know, the people would be appalled that we let our animals on the table while we eat.
It's your
Look at
house, your life. You gotta get this
He
film.
is sucking up to you big time. He's
Rufus,
like,
do you want some chicken?
I don't know if I'd give him that sauce. He doesn't need the sauce.
He won't eat the sauce. I mean, he might lick it, isn't it? Here. That's probably a good idea anyway.
Yes, it is. Oh, hell, I have my finger in the damn lands.
Oh, you didn't get any of that?
No, I did, but I had a little... I saw this thing in the corner of the... Layla wants some too.
You're not going to go help see who's moving in next door? You need to go see what kind of furniture they got.
And there he
What difference
goes.
will that make?
Huh?
They just need, by their backyard, it needs to be Hawaiian.
And he's happy now. Okay, say goodbye. Say goodbye, honey.
Can you see him out?